Hey friends, if you wish to fix WMI provider host high CPU usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, WMI basically means Windows Management Instrumentation Provider Host. So, search for services in the Windows search bar, go to services, scroll down to Windows Management Instrumentation. Right click on it and select restart. Click on the restart button, or if it's stopped, then click on the start button. Okay, if that doesn't help, straight away restart the computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart it. This will also restart all the other associated services. Now, if this doesn't help, then you will have to perform an SFC scan because some file might be broken or corrupt in that case. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.